Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. As usual, this morning we'll take a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you've been considering unlocking some fantastic research tools with TipRanks Premium or Ultimate subscriptions, now is the time to do so. They just unlocked monthly payment plans, so make sure you check out the link in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are back into the red this morning. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.51%, S&P 500 futures down 0.89%, and NASDAQ futures down 1.44%. Shares of Snap plummeted after the company lowered their expectations for earnings and revenue for their quarterly report in June. They cited a rapidly slowing economy. In a filing Monday, the company said that the macroeconomic environment has deteriorated further and faster than anticipated. As a result, we believe it is likely that we will report revenue and adjusted EBITDA below the low end of our Q2 2022 guidance range. The Snap stock has fallen 29% so far. Last month, when they reported their first quarter earnings, they said they expected to grow their current quarter revenue between 20 to 25% year over year, with an adjusted EBITDA guide between 0 and 50 million. Analysts still rate the stock a strong buy, with several reiterating buy ratings yesterday and an average upside of 99%. GameStop has unveiled a new crypto wallet. GameStop stated that their new service would allow gamers and customers to store, send, receive, and use crypto assets and NFTs across decentralized apps without leaving their web browsers. They stated that their self-custodial Ethereum wallet is a Chrome browser extension. They also added that the wallet would enable transactions with the GameStop NFT marketplace, which is expected to launch in Q3 of this year. With just one current analyst rating, they marked the stock a sell with a downside of 68%. Shares of insulin technology developer Insulet were on the rise after it was reported that Dexcom is looking to acquire them. Bloomberg reported that discussions between the two are ongoing and an agreement could be reached in coming weeks. Insulet's insulin pump, the Omnipod 5, is controlled by a smartphone and works with Dexcom glucose monitoring system to automatically adjust insulin and help protect against the wearer's highs and lows. Analysts currently rate the Insulet stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 39%. And the $12.7 billion merger between Take-Two Interactive and Zynga is now complete. The merger has created a behemoth in the interactive entertainment arena. The merger is expected to diversify Take-Two's business portfolio, enhance its market presence, and add a talented workforce. Moreover, cost synergies of $100 million annually are expected from the merger in an initial couple of years, and $500 million of growth in net bookings are predicted over the years as well. The Take-Two stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 47%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Petco Health and Wellness, Abercrombie & Fitch, and Ralph Lauren. And the after hours will include Star Bulk Carriers, Intuit, and Nordstrom. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from big box electronic retailer Best Buy. They did miss on earnings but came in ahead of expectations on revenues. They reported earnings per share of $1.57 versus the $1.61 expected. Revenue did come in at $10.65 billion, ahead of the estimates of $10.41 billion. Analysts currently rate the Best Buy stock a moderate buy with an average upside of over 52%. Also in the pre-market, we heard from Autozone. They came in well ahead of analyst expectations for both earnings and revenue. They reported earnings per share of $26.48, crushing the analyst estimates of $20.13. This was on revenue of $3.65 billion, which rose 34% year over year and easily surpassed the estimates of $3.27 billion. Analysts currently rate their stock a strong buy with an average upside of 22%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Roivant Sciences after they received FDA approval for their plaque psoriasis treatment. Under the ticker ROIV, their stock is up 10.7%. They're followed by Insulet under the ticker PODD, up 9.9%, and Aerojet Rocketdyne Holdings under AJRD, up over 7%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Snap, following them lowering their future guidance. Under the ticker SNAP, their stock is down about 29%. They're followed by Pinterest under the ticker PINS, down nearly 12%, and Elbit Systems under ESLT, down 8%. So that is going to be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget to stop by TipRanks TV to catch our after-hours market recap with Fabio and some other great exclusive series too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.